here's a little flow action that will retrieve pick list values from a field as a collection of strings. So I'm going to name this new approval process. And the next thing that's going to happen is a set of choices are showing up in a dual list box. This dual list box is an installable component that's available on Unofficial SF, and we can add different roles in here, and these may look familiar to you if you've used approval processes in Salesforce. But what we're talking about today is how did I get this list of information in the first place? So let's take a look at the pick list that has all of these values. This is a custom field that I created. So the object is called allowed submitter sets. It's part of this set of approval process objects I'm working on. And the field is called type, or technically it's type __ C. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12 different pick list values here. So I wanted to use these, and I couldn't use a pick list choice set because I wanted to pass these into this dual list box as a collection of strings. So this flow action retrieves any set of pick list values and makes it available as a collection of strings that you can iterate through and use further. To configure it, all you need to do is pass it a field name and an object name. And make sure that if they're custom that you provide the __ C, and then take the output values and put them into a collection of strings. And just to review that, the way you do that is you go over here and you say I want to create a variable and I want it to be strings, that's text, and I want it to store multiples of them, so it's a collection. And then you can name your variable. And I have one right, and the one I'm using is right here, selected submitter roles.